Well, we got the first job of the week and it's Friday. So ever since I got back from North Carolina, it has been raining. I think we got almost 5 or 5.5 inches of rain. So everything's a little muddy, but this is a job I looked at, I don't know, August or something. And I was gonna try to get down here sometime in September. Didn't make it, so I'm just gonna redo or just kind of top coat the driveway, which is kind of hard to see with all the leaves and stuff like that down, but it makes a circle around here, goes up to the driveway at the house, and then straight through there, which we'll have to walk over there. There's not hardly any rock left because the grass has grown over it. We're gonna go to the shop, and then actually from the shop building out to the road is another section of it. So we'll kind of walk around and look at all that, but I'm trying to make me walk around quick. I got Lonnie on the way with the first load of rock. I think I need 6 or 7 loads. And we're about 22 miles, I think, from the rock quarry. So, which luckily we can jump on the highway just a few miles over and get there fairly quick. But he's always one of those that he'll be here in 2 hours and he shows up in 10 minutes. So, but it's, I mean, it's got a good base. It's just hasn't been top coated in a long time. But see, this is supposed to tie in, so I need to scratch some of this stuff off. I think they just recently bought this house like last year or something, so. And he does some woodworking stuff, I believe, but I'm gonna try to come over here and I guess I'll try to scratch off all these leaves and junk. But I'm supposed to just kind of follow this curve around and then I think re-rock the whole front of this. This is gonna take a little more scratching and work here, but and then like I said, it'll scratch that all off and then just kind of top coat all that. So I need to do a little bit of kind of cutting this mud and grass and junk like that out right here. I would say nothing's been done to this rock or this driveway for several years. This is kind of the day's job. I figure it'd be something good to do as wet as it is, but we'll go get the loader unloaded and get to it. little too many tree limbs in here. Keep spreading stuff pretty. I think he's gonna back up and maybe just leave a pile right there. But this one should about fill into there, so we're getting there. I think this is load number 3, I believe. May just let him keep running them for today. It's going pretty well. All right. Well, you guys are going to get a little slideshow here because I somehow managed to put my GoPro on time-lapse photos, which I didn't know that was even a mode. So I ended up with like 5,000 pictures when I did my walk around for the evening. But these are all the various sections I try to take this, same picture before and after to kind of show you how it turned out. I think it was 7 loads of rock total, and I had about, 6 hours, I think, in this. And I ended up hauling off 1 full load in my truck of all the rock it was mostly mulch and leaves and just junk on the top of there. And then we left kind of the sub base to sprinkle all the new rock on. But I think it came out pretty well, and they're extremely happy with it. I think they just bought the house last year and said nothing had been done for 15 years. So hopefully this lasts for them for another 15 years. And I appreciate you guys watching.